Hello and namaste to all of you. You know what? Before starting this reading, I'm getting this strong message कि ये reading पता है किसके लिए है? Who are eagerly waiting that karma should be served because you have been wronged. And with this, Saturn retrograde is happening in Pisces from 27th of July. I'm getting this happen, I don't know why. But even my collective is somewhere quite collected in their emotions now and they are not ready to chase. आप सब बहुत calm energy में हो इस वक्त. हाँ, मन में काफ़ी सारे questions हैं अभी भी, but you are not running now. You are composed now, because from the moment you've pulled back that energy which was draining you is while recording us a 111. ये रीडिंग उनके लिए है जो नो कांटेक्ट में है, जो बहुत डाइसी सिचुएशन में है, जिनके पास 0% clarity है, irrespective of whatever time, how much time you guys have spent with each other, still there are questions that are unanswered. Color white, color pink, color blue, orange, green. For few red, very significant. Cancer, Leo, Scorpio, Pisces, Sun, Moon or Rising. Very significant. Angel number 111, 222, 333, 555, 888, 777. Very significant. While recording I saw 222, so double confirmation. Let's see what is coming for you. 10 of Cups is coming for you with 5 of Swords. You have had a very patchy past, और ये past आपको बहुत लड़ाई झगड़ा, कुछ समझ नहीं, disturbed. Not anymore guys. जितना भी ये वियर्डनेस थी ना, जितना भी लोगों ने सोचा कि आप कंफ्यूजन में छोड़ देते हैं, क्लैरिटी नहीं देंगे, बट बीच बीच में आते रहेंगे, अपने हिसाब से आएंगे, अपने हिसाब से जाएंगे, अपनी अवेलेबिलिटी, अपने टाइम फ्रेम, अपनी स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से दे गोना पॉप अप इन योर लाइफ एंड देन अगेन लीव यू unanswered in a very weird and random way without taking any accountability. While recording I saw 333, so yes, you are protected, you're guided. My collective, this collective has been, oh my god, firstly forgive yourself of whatever has happened in the past. Don't worry, get your faith back in the God and the universe. You are coming out of this situation as a winner. For many of you, I'm picking up energy that somebody new has already entered in your life, but because पुरानी चीज़ों में इतना clarity और closure नहीं मिला है, तो आप इस इंसान पे भी पूरी तरह ट्रस्ट करने को तैयार नहीं हो. That is the energy. We have King of Wands. Yes, somebody has been just, not wanting to take responsibility and very rigid person से आप डील कर रहे थे. Very egoistic, very rigid person you were dealing with. Authoritative. Yeah, come to part 2. We are diving deep to check जिसने आपको इतना कंफ्यूज रखा, इतना chaos में रखा, उनकी लाइफ आपके बिना कैसी है. We'll check their energy, that what are they feeling right now, how are they are deeply hurt. Look at this card, guys, look at this. The first card is of deeply hurt. You not only broke my trust but also me, of course, because you pull back your energy and not anymore. Your person always, God, we have mistrust, we have death, we have deeply hurt. Your person always gave some or the other excuses that how much they are occupied, how much of responsibility, and बहाने बहुत थे इस इंसान के पास, बहुत बहाने थे, कितना बिजी, कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, मतलब दुनिया की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये अकेला इंसान संभाल रहा है. जबकि इतना बैड सिचुएशन थी नहीं आपके पर्सन की जितना वो आपको दिखा रहे थे कि वो अपनी लाइफ में कितने वियर्ड एनर्जीज से डे टू डे डील कर रहे हैं. इतना बैड भी नहीं थी लाइफ उनकी. एंड कहीं ना कहीं यू हैव सेंस दैट अभी नो कॉन्टैक्ट हुआ है, अभी आपने डिसीजन लिया है टू गिव इट अ क्लोजर फ्रॉम योर एंड. बट ये जो मिसट्रस्ट वाला कार्ड है ना, ये कहीं ना कहीं आपके एनर्जीज को ही बता रहा है कि इन द पास्ट आपकी इंट्यूशन आपको कई बार बोला कि नो, इतना भी बुरा नहीं है इसके साथ जैसे दिखा रहा है, इतना अभी बेचारापन में नहीं है ये इंसान. So somewhere you have trusted them way too much and they themselves know. But still this person wants to be, in what energy? You are wrong and I am good. I didn't do anything wrong to you. It's you. They're still in that blame game sort of energy. How weird. What are they currently... Let's check that what are they currently thinking about you, We're going to take, all right, 3 energies. All right, we have isolation, we have milestone but in reverse. We have search, we have isolation, we have milestone. Our love is stronger than the distance between us. This person still thinks that you are waiting. प्लेटफॉर्म के उस पार आप अभी भी इनका वेट कर रहे हैं और अभी भी इनको चांस देंगे. दे हैव आइसोलेटेड देमसेल्फ completely, not just from you but from everybody around them. And somewhere they are just thinking about how much hurt they have caused you. बट कहीं ना कहीं इस इंसान को ये भी लगता है कि आप फिर से उनकी लाइफ में आओगे. Search, they are discussing about you. Maybe they are looking at your social media handles and they are keeping tabs on you. They are definitely keeping tabs on you and trying to connect you through sources. They are trying very weird ways to connect to you. They want to test waters with you first, because after you have absolutely taken back your energy, this person knows that इस बार का चांस थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but still they are trying hard to reach out to you some way or the other, stay connected to you. Very weird person you're dealing with, and you've dealt with this person for a very long time. ये कोई अभी के एनर्जीज नहीं है, very long time. The Fool, bottom of the deck we have the Fool. New beginning, something new is starting in your life and you have to leave your past behind. Just look at this person. ये बिल्कुल सीधे सीधे चल रहा है and this person is all set to start something new with Saturn retrograde happening. Let me tell you that too in Pisces. जिसने भी आपके साथ बुरा किया है, they are getting their karma back. They are. मानो या ना मानो, अभी आपको लग रहा है कि भगवान ने जस्टिस नहीं किया आपके साथ. You are not even willing to be in this kind of relationship, but still some way or the other this situation happened and some way you are feeling that मेरे साथ जस्टिस नहीं हुआ है. Not anymore. Not anymore. आपके साथ जस्टिस हो रहा है. behind the scene, things are happening very good for you. Close your eyes. We're going to check how are they. Housefly, maybe a significant thing as well for my collective. We're going to check that how are they viewing you right now, and how are they viewing this relationship right now, and what action you can expect from this person. Close your eyes. What is this? Future actions. Wait a second, let me pick up the two cards first. What are the future actions towards you? Okay, so we have, sorry guys, the cards are very sticky right now for some reason. We have the Eight of Pentacles in reversed, and we have the we have the King of Sword. King of Sword also in reverse. But when I was shuffling, they were upright. So I'm going to pick one card, whether I should be taking these cards as reversed or how they were in the deck. One confirmation card in reverse. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Right now, they're seeing you somebody who is lacking energy, who doesn't want to, somewhere their intuition is telling them very strongly that you have set a very clear boundaries with them, and they are not okay with it. Firstly, they are not okay with it. They are trying very hard to suppress their emotions, कि not to reach out to you, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग टेलीपैथिकली एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट रहते थे, but not anymore. जब से while recording I said 12-12, so yes, not anymore. From the moment you've pulled back your energy, they are also they are feeling that you have absolutely stopped working on this relationship. See, ये पेंटिकल्स उल्टे आए हैं. Okay, अगर स्ट्रेट आता so this person is working hard to maintain everything, but no, you have just stopped, and they can sense it all. How they are viewing this relationship, we have the King of Swords in reverse. This person, I guess starting off the reading also King of Swords only came, right? No, we had King of Wands. Sorry, I got confused. So yeah, this person has always since the start of this connection lacked a structure. मतलब वो अपने कन्वीनियंस से आते थे, जाते थे, और हमेशा एक इतना आपको मटेरियल दे देते थे जिसमें आप उनको छोड़ के ना जाएं. And this person has been hot and cold energy from the start, because इनको खुद भी नहीं पता है. He or she has been very confused throughout. They know that they have not done justice to you, and they even know that they have been missed opportunities. They want to regret, but ये इतने egoistic हैं कि इनका ego इनको mourn करने का मौका भी नहीं दे रहा है. While recording I saw 13 13 again, double three, triple three. Yes, so this person has somewhere also abused this connection. As in abused, with abuse I mean here they took you and your love for granted a lot since the start, and there has been injustice. आपने इनको बहुत मौके दिए, but they have just wasted it all, wasted your time and their time as well. They know that you are doing and keeping very well in your life, because maybe you're posting stuff on social media and you're actually in a genuine way also you're doing very beautifully in your life. आप अपने वर्क प्लेस में, अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में, अपनी फैमिली लाइफ में बहुत ही खूबसूरती से आगे बढ़ रहे हो. This is, can you see this woman, how happy, how content this woman is? So this is who you are. September plays a very important role. September 11th, first week of September से second week of September तक, from 1st September till 20th September, maybe it's playing very important role in your connection. And somewhere I feel July 27th 29th onwards से लेकर अगस्त मिड तक this person might impulsively text you and maybe talk in a very flirty way also with you. That is their energy. They're coming with passion. We're gonna take one card for what is the guidance for my collective. What you should. Again, this happened. I need to pick up the card. We have the Tower in reverse, and we have the Four of Swords. Guys, do not entertain this person, because the more you're gonna entertain this person, the more you're gonna have sleepless nights and the more confusion you're gonna create back in your life. अगर ये इस वक्त आपको आके ये भी बोले that how much you mean to them, it's too late, because something new is already on the horizon for you. आपको pain होगा, but you have to let this connection go, because you cannot be in this stagnant energy. No, do not resist the change, because if you're gonna give this person a chance again, they're gonna misuse it. So don't. October, this person is gonna realize and the tables are gonna turn, and this is where they will be. Sleepless nights, and they're still in sleepless nights. That is the energy for you. Justice, Hierophant. Claim this energy by typing 1111 in the comment section. Take care, love you all. Jai Shri Ram.